Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a seamless way to improve team collaboration, Flock is a fantastic tool to streamline communication and boost productivity. Today, I'll show you how to implement team collaboration with Flock to keep your team connected and organized. Let's get started. 1. Setting up your Flock workspace. Sign up at flock.com and create a workspace for your team. Invite team members via email or direct link. Set up channels for different departments, projects, or discussions. 2. Communicating effectively. Use chat and video calls for real-time conversations. Share files, images, and links directly in chats. Set up polls and to-do lists to improve team decision-making. 3. Organizing tasks and projects. Use Flock's built-in task manager to assign and track tasks. Create reminders and deadlines to keep projects on schedule. Integrate with tools like Trello, Asana, and Google Drive for seamless workflow management. 4. Automating workflows with integrations. Connect Flock with apps like Zapier, Jira, and GitHub for enhanced functionality. Use bots and automation to schedule meetings and track updates. Sync with Google Calendar to stay on top of deadlines. 5. Enhancing productivity with notes and reminders. Take quick team notes within the app. Set personal and team-wide reminders to keep everyone aligned. Pin important messages and documents for easy access. By implementing Flock, your team can communicate better, stay productive, and collaborate more efficiently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.